Hey everyone, use the Porsche here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your alerts on LiveSpace. Now, before we begin, you are going to need to create three accounts. You are going to need a LiveSpace account, a Streamlabs account, and a Twitch account. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and create all three accounts. And then after that, you'll go down to your settings in Streamlabs, go to platforms, and then under the Twitch, you'll click merge. And as you can see, we have success. We have successfully merged our Twitch and Streamlabs accounts. And then finally, we can go back to our live space and go down to the dashboard. And then from there, we're going to click on apps and then click connect, and then we'll go to authorize. And congratulations, we have successfully set up the basic integrations needed for alerts on LiveSpace. And then from there, we can go over to the Streamlabs and then customize our alerts by going to the Alert Box tab. And I will probably make a video on how to customize your alerts once I streamline the method that I used a little bit more. And it was so much fun playing around with those custom alerts. I have custom audio, custom GIFs, and it brings a really nice level of customization and branding to your channel. But that being said, I will see everybody during my next live stream on LiveSpace. See you, everyone.